Hey, this is Jeff with Realtor Solutions. We're doing some large tree install throughout the city parks in Warner Robins. These are some rather large trees, 4.5 inch, insta shade. Out here, we've planted some poplar, maple, some magnolia throughout some of the parks, and some elms do real well. Like I said, they're all real big, 4 inch and up. These balls weigh a good 2,000 pounds and definitely require a professional to come get them installed for you. As you probably saw in the video, our process of planting big trees, most of it's done with equipment, the mini excavator and the skid steer, and then a couple guys on the ground doing the leg work. Another important thing to these larger trees is making sure that they're staked well in the ground, so the wind doesn't come along and blow them over until they get some tap roots going. A couple benefits to planting some trees throughout your property are you can save substantially on your electric bill in the summer and in the winter. They say up to 25% if the trees are placed correctly to shade the structure of the house. And also they can help your property value out. People love seeing trees when they pull up to look at your house if it's for sale.